Hi and welcome to my kitchen. We're switching up carrot cake with this week's recipe for pumpkin pecan carrot cake. Tender, moist, full of fall flavors, and perfect for this time of year. Let's get started. This entire recipe will yield a whole sheet cake and will be listed in the description box below. To 2 cups all-purpose baking flour goes in the spices and your baking powder, baking soda. Everything will be listed here and below. Into a large bowl goes 1 cup canola oil, 2 cups granulated sugar, 4 eggs, whisk very well. You do not need to use a stand mixer, just a bowl and a whisk will be fine for this. Do not overbeat. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mix well to combine, and then about 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree. And combine that very well together. Bring those dry ingredients, combine those with the wet ingredients until you have a nice, homogeneous, creamy, smooth consistency. Should be just that color that we're looking for. 2 cups of shredded carrots, and I like to use them fresh so they're still wet. And then about 1/3 of a cup of chopped pecans. You could use walnuts or omit the nuts, totally optional. It's up to you. Onto a baking sheet that is very well greased. Pour your mixture and smooth it until it is flat throughout. Bake into a 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes until toothpick comes out clean. Once your sheet cake has cooled, you could add rich and creamy frosting. I like vanilla frosting. You could use cream cheese frosting, make your own, your preference here, and smooth over top just a nice thin layer and give it a nice swirl for design. Because it is this time of year, I'm using candy corn as little carrots, how genius, and some funfetti sprinkles. And before I place them, I want to cut my sheet cake into squares and then stopping midway to clean my knife out. And that way, once I see the squares, I know where to place the candy corns, and then just a sprinkling of fun sprinkles. And there you have it. These freeze beautifully and work beautifully in bake sales. I hope you try the recipe and let me know how it comes out in the description box below for you. Thanks so much for watching and being here. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Thanks again for being here and have a good day. Bye for now.